TikTok 0 views. So what is going on? So sometimes you can just create a video on TikTok and then it's just getting 0 views. What is that? So this is what there are some technical triggers why TikTok is that cause TikTok to do that. So just wait. So content can be under review. The video is clean. It will start pushing soon. Fresh account posting too soon. So if you just created an account a minute ago and posted 10 videos, it all day they can just get 0 views. Share the review. Sometimes your first video defaults to private. Check your privacy. Blacklisted keywords. You can see all of these keywords. Community guidelines, sensitive topics, duplicate content, low quality, unoriginal editing, device or account of shadow ban, spam behavior. So, fresh account posting 5 to 10 times per day look like farms. Then VPNs. So what you can do if you posted a video and still after a day it's literally has 0 views, then what you can do, warm up the TikTok account, just create new account, follow other users, browse other videos. Do not post like 50 videos the minute you created new account. Post smart, not fast. Avoid automation signals, avoid spam words, use native audio, build trust first. So try to do that.